Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the course completion program of Cornash, the Lifestyle Management School. These amazing set of women with varying backgrounds, varying ages, but with that one burning desire to learn counseling skills so that they can help themselves, they can help their families, they can help their loved ones. That's the common binding between all of them. So they went through a rigorous discipline for 3 months, and today they've completed the course. They are going to take their certificates, and we want all of you to cheer for them. Over to you, Pragati.
Thank you, Devleena. Welcome, everyone. Congratulations on successfully completing our 3-month program. It's been a pleasure to teach all of you. As we hand over your certificates, I will be sharing the screen. I want everybody to unmute yourself and clap for others. Please, and the participant who gets the certificate, please speak a few words regarding how you're feeling about receiving the certificate. So the first person is Meenakshi Chitlangia. Are you there, Meenakshi? Meenakshi, are you there?
Pragati, I don't think Meenakshi has still come, but let's just
Fine.
we'll come back to her.
We have Mau Mangal now.
Great job, Mo.
Little louder, please.
Very well done.
মনে হচ্ছে স্বপ্ন দেখছি এটা আমার কাছে মানে আমি যখন ফার্স্ট স্টার্ট করেছিলাম ভাবতেই পারিনি আমি কমপ্লিট করতে পারবো। থ্যাংক ইউ প্রগতি, থ্যাংক ইউ রেনা, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ, থ্যাংক ইউ। তোমাদের হেল্প ছাড়া এটা আমি করতেই পারতাম না, কারণ আমার নিজের এত ইনার সেমিং ছিল আর এত নিজেকে গুটিয়ে রাখতাম সব সময়, এটা তোমাদের হেল্প ছাড়া পারতাম না। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
Thank you, Mau. The next certificate receiver is Dr. Prerna Agarwal. Prerna, I want you to say a few words.
Beautiful journey of 3 months of discovering myself, and I hope to continue with this thing. Thank you so much, Pragati. Thank you so much, Devleena, and thank you so much, everyone, every lady over here, our group. I hope to meet you, everyone, in future sometime, physically. Thank you so much.
Next, we have Poonam Goenka. Yes, Poonam? Anything to share? Yes, Poonam, you're on unmute. You're on mute. Please unmute yourself.
Is it fine now?
Yes, it's
Thank you, Devleena. Thank you, Pragati. I never thought I'll do it, but it was because of your push and your discipline that I have done it, and I'm so glad. I hope I can continue with the Saturday classes and other courses that you do. Thank you so much. It wouldn't have been possible without your support. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Bravo, you did it.
Yes. Thank you.
our next participant is Shalini Kapoor. Let's give her a big hand.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Devleena. Thank you, Pragati, and thank you all you wonderful women. It was just such a great learning experience, and I think during this lockdown phase, it was such it was something I really looked forward to, and it was a self therapy in itself. And I've learned a lot about discipline, and other things, and hope to continue with Cornash for the further courses that are coming up. Thank you.
Thank you, Shalini.
Congratulations.
And now we have Neha Sheth. Let's give her a big hand, everybody.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much, Cornash. Thank you, Devlina, and thank you, Pragati. I just enjoyed myself very much in this course, and I hope to continue with it. And this is one subject which I love, and I'm really grateful to all of you for this. Loved it. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now we have Vartika Bhalotia.
Thank you so much, Cornash and Pragati ma'am and Devlina ma'am. I don't think this would have been possible without the two of you. I think this was the only thing I looked forward to during the lockdown. And this has been one of the best internships I've done, and I'm looking forward to more in the future. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now we have Surbhi Verma.
I'm super excited to see this. I really don't know what to say. It's been a long wait for me. And finally, I'm getting this. Thanks a lot to Devlina ma'am and Pragati ma'am for the push and the belief in me that I can do it and I can achieve this. So, thank you so much. It's been an amazing journey for me. And lockdown, the best thing could have happened when mentally I've been very depressed and things were not going the way I wanted it to go. So this was the best thing that could happen to me. I don't know how I would have survived. So thank you so much.
Full rigor.
Sorry ma'am, what did you say?
I'm super happy for you. You finished it with full rigor.
Thank you so much. I'm super excited.
Now we have Jyotika Sharma.
First of all, I would like to thank Priya for introducing me to Cornash, and thank you so much for conducting this wonderful session of counseling. And in this pandemic, now I can see more hope that apart from training people, there is another way by which I can help others and help myself. And I look forward to the further course, and thank you once again.
Thank you, Jyotika. You finished it with great rigor.
Thank you.
Music.
Next we have Veena Parasramka.
Clap for myself. This is Devlina, this is the best class I've ever attended in my life.
Thank you so much.
Believe me when I tell you that.
Thank you
Excellent.
so much. You did wonderful. You
Thank
stuck
you.
till the end and you finished it so well.
इतना आराम से कोई डिसिप्लिन कर सकता है? I never believed it.
Thank you.
Now we have,
Club.
absolutely. Now we have Meenakshi Chitlangia again. Meenakshi, are you there?
Yes, she's here. She came in.
Yes. Would you like to say a few words, Meenakshi? Yes, Meenakshi, unmute yourself.
Yeah, thank you, Cornash, for giving me such a lovely opportunity. I couldn't believe that I kept quiet most of the time. A girl who couldn't keep quiet for a single minute had actually behaved well in the class, as per the class norm by Devlina ma'am and Pragati ma'am. I tried my best, and I know that I have to try a lot more, but yet, yes, it is a long way to go, but yet I tried my best. to keep quiet and maintain discipline. Thank you so much, Cornash, for giving me a lovely opportunity.
I've not told you this in a long time, but I actually am super proud of you. You did a fantastic job.
Now we have Anuradha Paul. Let's give her a big hand.
Thank you. I got another certificate. Very good for me. And it's good because this is for my self-development. I love the class because in this lockdown phase, I could utilize my time by learning something very new to me. Because I never thought to go through this psychology courses or something like that. I want to thank ma'am, both of ma'am, and the beautiful and the skillful ladies who helped me to learn a lot of things other than this course and other things. Anything. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations. Congratulations for finishing it so beautifully.
Now we have Pratiti Chatterjee. Come on, everyone, you can clap. It's good exercise.
Thank you. First of all, thank you, Pragati ma'am and Devlina ma'am, for guiding me throughout the course so nicely. And I didn't know whether I could finish it or not because I was doing my MA and my university was continuously shifting from east to west when it was giving out instructions as far as examinations were concerned. So I was very confused, and as far as self-development was concerned, I have tried to, at least, even if I have not found, I've tried to find out many answers to my questions. Thank you so much to the lovely teachers and the lovely battalion I have. I have learned from each and every one of you, including Beena Auntie and Vartika, the senior most and the youngest. I have learned from everyone. Thank you so much.
Zara is the youngest. Zara is the baby in the house.
So I've learned from everyone.
You did fabulous, Pratiti. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now we have Zara.
Thank you. As the youngest person, I can say this was really very enlightening. As a girl who's doing college off shows, this really helped me. So thank you everyone actually. Everyone played a very amazing role. Thank you.
Congratulations, you finished it wonderfully.
Thank you so much.
You will make a very good helping professional one day.
By the grace of God, maybe, yes. Thank you so much for believing in me.
Now we have Smita Mandalia. Let's give it a hand.
Thank you so much. First of all, Bhua, Beena Parastamka, for introducing me to Cornash. Literally forcing me in the beginning because I was very camera shy. And today I'm totally different. I'm better, not as shy as before. And I have learned a lot from all of you. And the way you all teach is simply fantastic. Your commitment, your way of teaching, it registers even to us who've been out of school for God knows how many decades. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Congratulations. You did a good job.
Thank you.
Now we have Anita Chauhan.
Cornash and dear teachers, thank you for a wonderful and inspiring beginning with this course. And now with this end and certificate coming our way, I know I have a long way to go, but with this certificate in my bag, I look forward to the next phase. Thanks to all the teachers for inspiring me to become the best version of myself. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
You did so fabulously.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we have Rashi Gulati. Let's give her a big hand.
Truly, I'm grateful to Devlina ma'am and Pragati. I just like the whole thing that because of this lockdown, I was able to do this. Otherwise, it would have not been feasible because not being from Calcutta. I genuinely like the feedbacks, what we personally had chat with Devlina ma'am, that you took it so beautifully. That allowed me to be part of this thing completely. And I like how y'all always have a very open mind to the whole thing. You know, it's easy said and done to be a counselor, but interacting with so many people with time, y'all still always have the positive attitude and y'all both are always smiling. Hats off to y'all for that. And genuine smile, you can come to know. That, you know, you're not just doing it to be in the camera. You can sense that vibe that you both are genuinely giving 100% to the class. I truly admire that. And the class was truly a fantastic 3 months journey. So truly, thank you once again.
Thank you so much. You did a fabulous job of completing the course. I'm so happy.
Thank you. All thanks to you guys. Otherwise, I would, you know that.
No, give yourself that pat in the back.
Okay, thanks.
Now we have Mrs. Devjani Guha. Let's put our hands together for her.
I'm super excited, super excited. Because before that, I had an idea about the course. But the way you people, Pragati, Devlina, and Manju and others, deal with it is fantastic. And most important, today I am getting a certificate in front of my daughter and granddaughter. Oh, beautiful. It's a lovely feeling. Thank you.
Thank you for finishing it so well. Thank you for accepting the program. Thank you. Congratulations.
Now we have Neeti Sethi.
Hi. Thank you so much for this course. I actually had no idea what counseling actually meant. I always thought it just being an agony aunt or a medium where you could just vent out. But counseling, it has developed my interest in counseling now. Thank you so much for this course. Thank you.
Thank you for this insight. And you did a fabulous job of completing it. Congratulations.
Thank you. So looking forward to the another part of it. Thank you.
Do we have Shobha Gupta here?
Yeah. Rest, please mute yourselves.
Yes, Shobha?
Share the screen.
Yeah. Let's give her a big hand. Yes, Shobha, would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, I would like to thank everybody, Devlina and Pragati, and the whole team. I really enjoyed the class and it was a very nice journey. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you so much and congratulations on finishing it with such rigor. I know.
Thank you.
Very challenging for a full-fledged helping professional to learn another parallel helping tool. But you all did it with such humility. It's amazing. Please keep up the good work.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
We also have Pallavi Raheja. Are you there, Pallavi? And is there anyone who is still left? I think we have covered up everybody.
So any family, friends who've come for them? If you want to put in a word? Yes, please.
Congratulations. I think I have to
I have more than one family member in here. I know most of y'all in person, but two people I have to congratulate, I think, in particular. That one is Modi. I know how hesitant she was about the language. And another is my mother. I mean, Prerna Deep, Veena ma'am, all of y'all, I've been seeing y'all, Vartika. I've been seeing y'all, but this is amazing.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for cheering for all of them.
Great job.
So we come to an end of this course completion program. And before we end today's program, I want to end it with the mission that Cornash has. That is, we want one lady in the house to be trained as a counselor, so that that person can work as the frontline helper for the betterment of their family, for their loved ones, so that nobody goes undiagnosed, nobody goes through emotional turbulence which cannot be helped. So let these trained people be the frontliners of this helping profession. So with this mission, vision, goal, we come to an end of this event. Thank you so much. And congratulations to each one of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. You all have a lot of
This Saturday we have a workshop at 12 to 1:30, regular time. For those who need to register,
Yes.
So let's just unmute and give a huge round of applause for everyone. Let's just unmute ourselves and say congratulations.
3 cheers.
3 cheers for Cornash and 3 cheers for all the participants today. Hip hip!
Hip hip!
Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
Thank you.
Bye bye and thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
So much.
Thank you. Thank you.